In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set text alignment in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up your text horizontally and vertically so your sheets look clean, readable, and professional. First, open your browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets. That opens Google Sheets, where you can jump into a recent file or create a new one. Go ahead and open the spreadsheet you want to work on. Now select the data you want to adjust. You can click and drag across a few cells, or select a full row or column if you want a consistent look. Keep in mind, alignment settings apply to whatever is highlighted, so take a moment to select exactly what you need. If you pick up the wrong range, just click once to clear it and reselect. With your cells highlighted, look to the toolbar at the top and find the horizontal align icon. Click it to choose left, center, or right. Left is the standard for most text and labels, and it keeps things easy to scan. Center is great for headings or short labels where you want balance across a column. Right alignment is often useful when you want entries to line up against the edge, such as identifiers or values that you prefer not to stagger. As soon as you click your choice, you'll see the change immediately in the selected cells. Next, set the vertical alignment. On the same toolbar, click the vertical align icon. Choose top, middle, or bottom. Top places your text at the top edge of the cell, which is especially helpful when your rows are taller than a single line. Middle centers the text vertically, giving a balanced, tidy look that works well for titles or any cell with extra height. Bottom aligns text to the lower edge, which can be useful when you want entries to sit at a consistent baseline across a row. This is particularly noticeable if you've increased row height or have cells with multiple lines of text. That's it. Using the toolbar for horizontal and vertical alignment is the quickest way to handle everyday formatting in Google Sheets. As a final note, remember that alignment changes only affect the selected cells, so you're always in control. If you make a choice and don't love it, use undo to step back and try another option. With these simple tools, your data will look organized and intentional in just a few clicks.